Good morning everybody and welcome to Vlogmas day 20. It's day 20.
Whoa.
Isn't that crazy? I can't believe it. I honestly can't believe it. It's actually gone so fast. 5 days till the big day, but for us 2 days until the big day really. Rat update. It wasn't in the trap this morning. We've not caught the rat. The rat is still free and roaming my home. My worst nightmares are coming true. But I'm not going to make this vlog all about the rat. I can't give it that power. So I'm just updating you. If something changes, I will tell you. Until I let you know otherwise, the rat is free. I am packing up some mug orders, the last mug orders of the year. Hooray, hooray, hooray. I have to edit the vlog now. And then I need to wrap some more presents. I wanted to film a video today, but Tim's here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. So that's the plan for today. A chilled day. A decompressing, de-stressing day, because this rat thing's really freaked me out. Just a day doing things that need to get done. Good morning, lovely. So far. Okay, advent calendar time. Ooh. It is a Barry M blush palette. That's quite nice actually. Oh, we got another lip balm. This is Nivea Cherry Shine. Smells like cherry drops. Love.
Won't you come in out of the snow and cold? We've got it nice and warm. In here you'll find both young and old, seeking shelter from the storm. It's the spirit of the season to open up the door. It's the spirit of the season to give and love some more. It's the spirit of the season to lend a helping hand. It's the spirit of Christmas season. Let's spread it across the land.
Dog.
Not the Dulux.
Yeah, he works at Dulux. He's so fat.
I want to show the vlog. Our friend Barney works at Dulux and he got a picture with the Dulux dog. Everyone look in sheer jealousy at Barney. Look at that! That's so good. All I want for Christmas is a date with the Dulux dog.
Apparently they have multiple dogs.
Open up your heart. It's the spirit of the season to heal what's torn apart. It's the spirit of the season to lend a helping hand. It's the spirit of Christmas season. Let's spread it across the land. Oh, let's spread it across the land. It's the spirit of the season to open up your heart. It's the spirit of the season to give your love some more. It's the spirit of the season.
Scrapbooking for the day is done. I'm now going to the post office with Tim to take all the parcels, but I'm not allowed to look in the car yet because apparently all my presents are in there and he hasn't wrapped them yet, even though Christmas is tomorrow. So I don't know when you're going to wrap them, Timmy. I've imported the footage for the vlog, haven't started editing it yet, but I feel like it's going to... You're hiding them.
Yeah, I don't hop in.
Can I come in?
Huh? Yeah, don't look too closely in the back.
Okay.
It's okay.
I want the rack on
I know, I think that is at the heart of your stress.
It is. I'm very stressed today, you guys. Which is silly because I don't have a lot to be stressed about right now. Apart from this rat. Right guys, it's time to, sorry I'm really scared that the rat's here. It's time to go get my nails done. I don't actually know what I'm gonna have. Something festive, probably a nude with a gold glitter rather than a silver glitter. Crazy, crazy I know. But Tim is kindly gonna give me a lift. And while I'm gone, he's gonna wrap my presents. Hooray! I'd like to watch maybe The Holiday or Love Actually.
Yeah, shall we watch? Oh, I don't know which I prefer. I haven't seen either of them in bloody ages. For like 3 years.
They're two of my favourite films and they both happen to be Christmas.
Should we just see which one we can find first? And then
yeah,
that one, if we find which one we find is meant to be. Because I'd happily watch them both.
Oh, great.
Oh.
Excellent news. Tim and I, when we drunkenly brought the sofa in, we smashed the new jug that I was going to give to my cousin, which I now can't really give her. But I fixed it with some super glue. Very, very impressed with myself. Whack on my rings, because I always feel like can't make a nail decision if I don't have my rings on. Oh, Tim's peeing in the background. Cool. But we need to leave. We got everything. Yep. Wallet.
I'll probably still need to wrap some more when you get back.
That's fine, because I need to wrap presents too, including this big boy. Time for a nice pamper session to cheer me up. Hot chocolate with a bit of Baileys. Yeah. I asked for my regular tea, not realising they had a special festive menu, and I'm getting a festive hot chocolate with festive toppings. And I'm very, very much looking forward to it. Oh my god. Yes. Oh, that looks so good.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim
Tim and I are going to Sainsbury's to get food for tonight, some pork for tomorrow, and Christmas cards. I've got my wallet.
Sorry.
I'm gonna have to pay because you're gonna get ID, aren't you?
Yeah, I'll have to phone in the car.
What's wrong with you? Honestly, this is what I have to deal with. I'm trying to find dinner and Tim wants pizza. I want something healthy, but I want pizza, but I feel like it's my last meal I have control over. I should probably make a healthy
That is
choice.
true, I should probably do the same. Which don't have to get.
Pizza.
No, we're being naughty. What can we get together? That might help. I don't want salmon, I'm just bored of it.
Can't we get a small pizza? I'm a rat expert now, okay? I just set up a trap. We've now got 2 traps going. I think I'm about to have a nervous breakdown.
I can make you stop yelling at me by turning the camera on, and you're nice.
Because, right, the nice rat man gave me information about rats, which I needed to know. I then told my dad this information. My dad then told Tim. But when I tell Tim...
He didn't tell me, I just heard him on the phone when you were talking to him.
When I tell Tim the same facts, even though he's heard them from my dad, he even questions them. But when my dad says it, he doesn't question it. I am the rat expert because this is my knowledge passed on to him.
Alright, rat lady.
I got called the mug lady in the post office today.
The mug lady.
A different guy served me and he said to the other guys, "This is the mug lady." I was like,
The mug lady.
"I'm Emma." Please refer to me with my full name, Emma Mug Lady Johnson.
Girls, mate.
Shut up. Thank you. Vodka rose lemonade. Oh yeah, you're on a pink drink too. What are you drinking?
Rhubarb, lemon and mint with cordial.
Cheers.
And try it. I think you like this.
Yeah, take
I
that.
think you originally bought it for yourself, actually.
I did. It's in my fridge for a reason.
Sorry.
Because I thought I'd like it.
I assume someone had left you at the party.
No, that's me. Don't like the mint. No, I wouldn't have wanted that. Anyway, that's fine. I had a weird, very weird dinner. It was very strange. It was a cold salad with potato and salmon, 2 slices of pizza. Tim's wrapping my presents next door, so I'm gonna wrap his in here. Oh, I need the scissors.
Let me wrap one of them quickly and then I can cut the other bit.
Get ready for one more wrapping montage.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you.
Tim and I are going to watch The Holiday because we haven't actually watched one Christmas film yet.
You said Love Actually.
I thought we were watching The Holiday.
What? You're making no sense.
Which one are we watching? What do you want to watch?
I don't mind.
Honestly, I love both.
Well, let's just watch the first one I find.
Okay. So we're going to watch either Love Actually or The Holiday, which are my 2 favourite Christmas films. Also, I haven't actually talked about my nails. So I went for nude with black tips. And I like the black tips because when it's against the dark background, they just look like stilettos. Look how little they look. Look how spiky. When actually, it's just the black tips with a little bit of gold glitter because I couldn't quite get rid of the glitter yet. So those are my New Year's Eve and Christmas nails. They're not very Christmassy, but they're very New Year's Eve-y. I'm gonna finish wrapping these presents because I need to wrap a bike rack. Thanks, Pa, for asking for really, really big, awkwardly shaped presents. Appreciate it.
Invested 4 o'clock.
Duck or chicken?
Duck.
Terrific. Thanks so much.
Duck.
I love you, Colin. I love you so much. Almost as much as sushi. I wrapped my dad's present, the big boy. Presents for tomorrow, wrapped. Tim's present for before we go tomorrow.
2020 soon, you gotta wake up and smell the coffee.
Tim is actually driving me insane this evening. You guys are always like, couple goals. Oh, Tim's such a keeper. Just, if you just listened off the shit that came out of his mouth, you would, whoo!
Cut that out, I'm gonna throw you into the dogs.
Evening. Tim and I have just gone to bed. I just put on a layer of fake tan, which is why I'm looking a little bit patchy and a little bit bronzed. Tomorrow is actually mine and Tim's Christmas with my family. So we're doing full-on Christmas dinner, presents. It's literally Christmas Day, just on the 21st. It's the 21st tomorrow, right?
Mm-hmm.
Which was also my Nana's birthday, so it's like a birthday party for Nana. Yeah, Tim and I are gonna go to bed now. We had a nice festive evening. All the cards are written, presents are wrapped, Love Actually is watched, Christmas can finally begin. So yeah, that's it for the day. We've set 2 traps for the wrap tonight. Hopefully we find it in the morning. If not, who knows what we're gonna do. Thank you guys for watching. Tomorrow's vlog is gonna be so nice and we're going for a run before Christmas Day. So look forward to watching us sweat. Look forward to watching us eat loads of good Christmas food and finding out what everyone got for Christmas. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.